Hi everyone, welcome back to Life with Pawan. So I'm glad you are here, and today in this video we'll be practicing minimum pairs, words that sound very similar but have a different meanings. Okay, so this exercise will train your ears and mouth to recognize and produce clear sounds. If you practice along with me for just 5 minutes, you will notice real improvement in your pronunciation. Okay, so there is a sound like I versus double E sounds. Okay, so let's start with the short I sound and the longer double E sound. Okay, so sheep, sheep. Okay, so I'll say them slowly. Sheep, 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 sheep. Are you getting? So I'm repeating the longer version of sheep, sheep. Okay. So second example is seat, seat. Listen carefully. Seat, seat, sit, seat. I hope like notice how your mouth is more relaxed for I in seat, and then it has stress more in seat. The little difference which completely changes the meaning, right? Next is A versus U sounds. Now let's move to the sounds and the U sounds. That is like cat versus cut. So listen, cat, cut, cat, cut, cat, cut. Okay. Next example is man versus mum. So repeat after me. Man, mum, man, mum, man, mum. Okay. So here is the trick for A. Open your mouth wider like ah, and for you keep it shorter and more central like ah. Practice slowly after and then faster after me. Okay. So now let's mix them together for a quick drill, and I'll say a word and you have to repeat it. Okay. So let's sheep, sheep, cat, cut, seat, sit. Are you getting what I'm trying to do here? I'm trying to pronounce the word, the longer version of the word, and then the short one, right? So if you practice all these things on a daily basis, it will give you some idea like how you have to pronounce the word, and it will honestly help your articulations, and also it will improve your pronunciation skills. So you have to practice it on a daily basis, and if you have practiced these words which I have just told you, I'm sure it is going to really help you, and good job. It might feel tricky at the beginning, but that's okay. The more you repeat, the strong your ear and mouth coordinations will become, and after a certain period you will realize that you are able to differentiate by yourself that what is sheep versus sheep, seat versus seat, right? So there is nothing but you have to open your mouth wider for that seat, seat, sheep, seat, right? Are you getting my point? And also I have told you earlier that for sa and sha how you have to pronounce. If you don't know, go and please watch my previous videos. Okay. And also I want to give you a pro tip. Okay, so record yourself while practicing, and then play it back and compare your words with the mind. Okay, this help you hear a small differences you might miss while speaking. And for homework, pick just two pairs today, like sheep versus sheep and cat versus cat, and practice them for again and again, at least for 5 to 10 minutes. in front of mirror, and if it is possible, try to record that video. Then you feel like, okay, now I'm able to pronounce the word well. Then you can move up to the new words. Okay, so that's all. Great work today. Remember one thing, that pronunciation is like a muscle. Okay, the more you train it, the stronger it gets. So if you enjoyed these lessons, and if you like this video, please share it with your friends, and like this video, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.